In this video, we're diving into how to use JungleScout's BSR tracker to monitor your product rank in real time and actually make sense of what the data means for your Amazon business. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter e-commerce strategies, one tool at a time. So let's get into it. What is BSR and why it matters? Before we get started, let's get clear on what we're actually tracking here. BSR. That stands for Best Sellers Rank. Every product on Amazon has a BSR, and it changes constantly depending on how that product is selling. So why does this matter? Because BSR gives you a window into how well a product is moving on Amazon compared to others in its category. A lower BSR, like 1 or 2, means higher sales, plain and simple. So if your product is ranked number 1 in its category, it's selling more than anything else in that space. Now, tracking that rank over time helps you understand things like, is this product seasonal? Is it gaining or losing momentum? How do changes in price or marketing affect its visibility? In short, BSR is a real-time performance signal. In JungleScout gives us a tool to monitor that without going crazy refreshing pages on Amazon. Getting started with JungleScout's sales rank tracker. Now, first things first, if you want to get started with JungleScout, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. That's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and save 30% on all plans by using this link. Just click the link down below in the description to get the best pricing possible. Now, let's say you're already inside JungleScout. On the left-hand menu, you're going to see a section labeled Sales Rank Tracker. That's going to be your home base for everything that we talk about today. When you first land there, it might be empty. That's okay. We're going to add products to it. Now, all you need to start is an ASIN or a product URL from Amazon. Just copy it and paste it into the tracker, and JungleScout starts doing its thing. You don't have to own the product. And this is super handy if you're spying on a competitor or considering launching something similar. Think of it like setting up a surveillance camera on their listing. Real-time BSR updates, what you see. Now, once a product is added, JungleScout tracks its BSR and updates it in real time. You'll see a clean timeline of that product's performance across days, weeks, or even months. Here's where it gets fun. You'll notice dips and spikes, and some products go through wild swings during things like Prime Day or the holidays. Others stay consistent, which might mean steady demand year-round. This is the kind of context that you just can't get by checking a product once. The sales rank tracker lets you zoom out and get a bigger picture. If you're testing a new product and wondering how it stacks up, this will give you a baseline for comparison. If you're considering buying more inventory, this helps reduce the guesswork. Historical trends, spotting patterns, and seasonality. One of the best parts of the BSR tracker is its historical data. If you've got products that you've been tracking for a while, you'll be able to scroll back and look at their rank over time, weeks, months, or even years. Let's say you're looking at a product that always spikes in November. That could be a holiday gift item. Or maybe the rank tanks in summer. Maybe it's a winter-only product. These trends matter because they help you time things, like ad spend, discounts, and restocks. You don't want to miss the wave, but you also don't want to over order just because something had one good week. Also, by comparing year-over-year trends, you can start to predict behavior. The longer you track, the smarter your decisions get. Tracking multiple products side by side. Now, JungleScout actually lets you track more than one product at a time, and this is huge. It's especially helpful if you're launching 2 similar products and you want to see which gains traction. If you're watching a few competitors to see who's pulling ahead. If you're testing 2 price points or different versions of the same product. So inside the dashboard, you can line them up and compare their BSR performance directly. It turns abstract data into something visual you can actually use. Now, a quick tip here is to give each product a nickname when you enter it. That way, you're not just looking at a string of ASINs, trying to remember which is which. Setting rank alerts for instant feedback. Now, one of the lesser known but super helpful features is rank alerts. You can tell JungleScout to notify you when a product's BSR crosses a certain threshold or changes by a specific amount. Now, why is this useful? Because it lets you act fast. So let's say that your product suddenly drops in rank, which means it's selling more. You might want to increase your ad budget or prepare more inventory. Or if it jumps up, meaning fewer sales, maybe your listing needs an update. Or you've got a competitor who's taking your market share. Instead of checking every day, you let JungleScout tap you on the shoulder. Competitive intel, watching other sellers. So this part is sneakily powerful. You can use the BSR tracker to monitor your competitors' products. Want to see how that new listing in your niche is doing? Add it. Curious how that Amazon's choice badge is affecting someone's rank? Add it. This lets you reverse engineer strategies. Maybe a competitor ran a flash sale and their rank shot up. Now you know when when they're promoting. Or maybe they changed their photos and nothing happened. Good to know. Over time, you'll build a mini database of what's working and what's not in your corner of Amazon. BSR and product lifecycle decisions. If you're serious about building a brand and not just flipping products, BSR tracking should become part of your long-term strategy. Now, here's what I mean. If your product starts strong but slowly drifts upward in ranks, meaning sales are slowing, that's a signal. Maybe interest is fading or the competition is catching up. If a product holds a consistent rank across the year, that's a keeper. Stable demand is gold. If something spikes randomly, you can dig into why. Was it seasonal? Did a review go viral? Did a competitor sell out? Each BSR pattern tells a story. You just need to pay attention. How BSR informs your pricing, ads, and listings. Now, when you're tracking BSR, you're not just collecting data to admire it. You're using it to make changes. So let's say your product's BSR improves after a price drop. That's a clue that lower price equals more conversions. If your BSR improves after a title change, that's probably because better SEO is getting more eyeballs. Same goes for ads. Launch a campaign, and if your BSR improves during that period, that's feedback. Now, without the tracker, you might miss that. A quick word on the brand tracker. Now, while this video has been focused on BSR, JungleScout also has a brand tracker tool that works hand in hand with the BSR tracker. With the brand tracker, you can monitor overall brand performance, sales, reviews, price changes, etc. Pairing it with BSR gives you a full circle view of what's happening both at the product level and across a brand. So if you're keeping tabs on competitors, don't skip it. Pricing. Choosing your JungleScout plan. So JungleScout offers a few different plans, each designed to help you at various stages of your Amazon selling journey. Now you can choose to pay monthly or save up to 40% by paying annually. Plus they offer a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. Starter plan. The starter plan is perfect if you're just launching your business. For $49 a month, you get the essential product and keyword research tools like the product database, opportunity finder, and keyword scout. This plan includes 1 month of historical keyword data and allows you to track up to 50 products. It's a single user license and you'll get access to the JungleScout Academy for industry knowledge. Next is the Growth Accelerator plan. So stepping up the Growth Accelerator plan at $79 per month is built for professional sellers looking to speed up their business. You'll gain advanced research capabilities and powerful growth tools such as review automation, listing analyzer, and the rank tracker. This plan provides 1 year of historical keyword data, lets you track 150 products, and is eligible for additional user seats. It also includes AI assist for automating tasks and access to advanced seller features. The brand owner plan. So for brand owners and small businesses aiming to grow their market share, the brand owner plan is $149 per month. This plan offers unrivaled competitor insights with competitive intelligence, which is available for US marketplace in 13 categories only. You get 2 years of historical keyword data and the ability to track up to 2,000 products. Now, a big perk here is that it includes 10 user seats and priority onboarding, along with all the advanced seller features. Enterprise solutions. Now, finally, for the larger brands, agencies, and retailers, JungleScout offers enterprise solutions. Now, you'll need to contact them directly for custom pricing. So again, if you want to get started with JungleScout, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. So the JungleScout BSR tracker might sound like a small tool, but it plays a big role in helping you avoid bad investments, helps you spot hidden opportunities. It helps you time your inventory and promotions and keep a pulse on competitors. Now, the best part is that it runs quietly in the background. You set it up once and then it just feeds you insights while you go about your business. Now, if you're not using it yet, go ahead and give it a spin. Add a few products that you're curious about and start watching the patterns. The earlier you start tracking, the more useful your data becomes over time. And if you want to get started with JungleScout, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure and subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.